What's up guys, in this video we will be showing you how to do a backflip. Simple way to do a backflip really quick. Let's get into it guys. So first of all, you're going to need either a pull-up bar or 2 swings, so on a swing set. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to hold on to the bar and just swing yourself backwards. Okay, swing yourself backwards, hold on to the bar, swing yourself all the way back, just like you're doing a backflip, and then let go once you're almost done with the backflip. Don't wreck your shoulders too bad, just like this. Just like that, all right? So a super simple way to do a backflip, to learn a backflip, and you can even do it on like I said, swings. So that's what you're gonna do. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold on to 2 swings and then just do a backflip. That way, when you're doing it with the swings, you can more control how much you put into the backflip. How much, like, you can either hold on really tight and let your arms do all the work, or you can actually like do the backflip more. So one more time. And you can let go. For this, you can make it more challenging by letting go earlier. So you can let go just like earlier in the flip to make it harder for you guys. So once you can do it on the swings more so, once you can do it on the swings, you know, you're ready to do it on the ground. Make sure you guys get a spotter maybe, or do it into a foam pit first. I'm not responsible for any injuries. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.